Hi explorers, welcome back to another video and also welcome back to our channel. I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, share and hit the subscribe button. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be crafting with Dollar Tree items to make a very luxurious night lamp. If you have not subscribed as yet, please click the subscribe button and like and share with a friend so that you don't miss out on any of these videos. Now I'm starting with a pack of skewer sticks that I picked up in the Dollar Tree, and I'm just laying them out on this piece of painter's tape. The idea is to get it to fold into a cylindrical shape. You can go ahead and lay them out without using the painter's tape at first, but I just decided to do it this way. I was trying to use this board just as a straight edge to help to keep them in line, but after I changed my mind and I decided I would go with a more uneven look, as I thought that might look better. This is more of the look that I'm going for. I'm not too worried if some of them are a little bit too long. You can always snip off the ends of the ones that are a little bit too long if it's unbalanced when you put it to stand up. So now I'm just adding more tape to hold the sticks in place. So now I'm going to wrap it around this transparent ornament type ball that I got from the Dollar Tree. And you can take off the extra sticks if it is too long. So now I'm going to start applying the hot glue. Whichever side that you apply the hot glue to will automatically be the side that will be turned inside, and so give it some time to dry. You can start bending it before the glue has completely dried so that it can start forming that cylindrical shape that you need. So now the glue is dry, so I'm going to remove the excess tape and then glue both ends together. I have these decorations that I made from a previous project. I just used the glue gun to create these in a little bit of water, and so I'm gluing these around the middle of the sticks. So now I'm going to spray it in this shiny metallic silver spray paint and put it to dry. Here is the DIY ornament that I was telling you about earlier. These can be found in the Dollar Tree, especially around Christmas time. So I removed the cover from the ornament, and now I'm going to apply some Mod Podge glue inside of it. So I'm just pouring a little glue in, then I'm gonna just get a paintbrush and spread it all around that bottom half of the ball, and I'm gonna just wipe off the excess glue as I go. I'm gonna leave it to dry a little bit before I start applying the silver glitter inside of it. Alright, as you can see, when the glue starts to dry, it becomes transparent. Now, I don't have a funnel that I can use to pour the glitter in, so this is where I'm gonna improvise and just use this sheet of paper to create a funnel-like look, just to pour the glitter down in the inside of the ball. This is the glitter that I'm going to use. I got this one at Walmart. Now, I did not measure the amount of glitter that I wanted inside of the ball. I just kept shaking, and I poured in until you hear a voice saying stop. It all depends on how much you want and how much coverage you need. You can always pour out the excess glitter that you have. This is what it looks like so far, although the glue has not completely dried, but this is what it looks like. Alright guys, here is the piece after spray painting it silver. Let me know if you like this color. I do like it. I'm now going to attach some beaded necklace around the piece, and I'll let you see what that looks like. These beaded necklace I got from the Dollar Tree, but I think they're available in different stores also. Okay, so I'm applying some hot glue to the piece, and then I'm just gonna stick the beaded necklace all around. I'm gonna also add some of this to the top of the piece. Alright, here is it so far, guys. Let me know what you think. I think I'm liking the silver. This is actually my first silver piece. Just let me know what you think. Alright guys, here's the ball after I have poured the glitter in and it has dried. It's beautiful, just like diamonds in the sky. So now I'm gonna glue one of these Dollar Tree LED tea light candles on the base of the ball. So let's try the light again, see if it turns on and how it looks. So now I'm ready to fit this in the piece that I already made and show you what the final results look like. Alright guys, so I will now let you see the final product at all angles. Alright guys, what do you think about this project so far? Let me know in the comment section below. This is what it looks like when the tea light is on. This is the look when all the other lights around are off and the tea light is on. Alright guys, as usual, I appreciate your support in watching all my videos. If you found some value in this video or you know somebody who would, please share this video with a friend or somebody you know. If you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Push the button. Also, click on the like button so that this video may reach other people. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.